Why do they always go over there?
Waylon, shake the tree. That big bird.
Why would I do that? That's really mean. They're just scared, Eva.
They're big, mean jerks.
Would you be scared, Eva, if you were that tiny and you saw someone that big? My God, where'd he go?
I wouldn't be scared. I just bite them.
Yeah, like these little guys and that person is scared and will try to bite us. It's kind of stupid.
Well,
More like a pteranodon if they were here now. Kill us.
well, since I'm this big, I prefer.
Ah, he's stuck. Yes, he's in the golden place. Yeesh. Yeesh. Ah, spiky there, though. Okay. Eva, come here and grab it.
Grab what?
The baby bird.
No, Dad said I couldn't.
Yep, right. I doubt Dad said you couldn't. Tell the truth, Eva.
I'm serious.
Like the big birds are gonna do anything about it?
I'm serious. I'm just serious. Dad told me not to touch them.
Dude, he means not to touch your mouth after you touch them. Because that's gross. Give you a disease. It's not safe. Ah, it's super hard. Okay, I think I can get him. Screw off! It's about to jump. Come on, come on, come on. Look at him.
Oh, Waylon, I forgot.
See? Look, he's on my hand.
Be careful with the manger.
He's on my hand.
Yeah, but I
But
found
this can get any better.
Yeah, but
Well, it could if he was on my shoulder, like. Holy crap. This is crazy. What's up, dude? Wanna go? Oh, crap. Oh, dude. Oh, dude. Hey, Dad. He's on my finger. Look at this. Look at this, Dad. Come out. He's on my pinky finger.
Wow.
Look at him.
You got one hands afterwards. Hey, buddy. That one looks like a scrawny one. He probably could use for some mashed up worm.
He's chill. The other one is like.
He looks hungry.
The little chubby one is like super. Oh, Dad, on the alligator nose, there's some food. Can you get it?
No.
Please?
You mean for the bird?
Yeah. He's sleepy. Holy crap. What? See? Oh, it's stick. Here, I'm gonna put the camera down for a sec. Grab that stick. Hey.
Oh, dude, listen to this, Waylon. She's mad at the mom and dad's birds because
I know, I was saying that.
the mom attacked her.
yeah, it flew down, and it squawked at me, and I was afraid it was
Here,
gonna
sit on the
bite
table
me.
here. Maybe see if it'll just eat.
I want to try that.
Hey, you won't let go.
I think you should just put Hobson away.
He's attached to me.
Waylon,
Look at him. Okay.
He needs to be wandering around.
I know, he won't
getting
let go.
bigger.
Okay.
He loves him.
Unless you plan on digging up a bunch of worms for the next 2 weeks straight and feeding him, you want his mom and dad helping him along and nurturing him.
Well,
Keep him, my boy.
What?
Cannot keep
I know. 1 second.